Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's look at Atom Coin. Right now on the monthly time frame, you can see that it is oversold, but you're making a lower low, so I don't like that. Now, if we go down to the weekly is completely oversold, but you're really struggling to get a bounce. And honestly, you're really not sitting on any support. You had a local low down here at $3.80. So I suppose that that could be support at that $3.80 level. But overall, if you lose $3.80, which you just lost already last week, you went down to 360. If you lose 380, and if you lose 360, I guess 360 you could say is a local low. But if you lose 380 and if you lose 360, really I see the next support being like 225. Maybe you could say that there was some resistance there all the way back in June of 2020. So maybe that was the last time you were there. So you're at new lows and we're in a bull market. So that's not a very good sign. But I suppose maybe $3.18 could be support. But overall, there's not a ton of support to the downside. Again, 380 didn't seem like it was support on the way down earlier this past week. So I would say that 380 is not really any support. The next local low you have is 360, below that 318 maybe, and then 225. So this is starting to look really bearish. I have sold my Atom actually, and I'm waiting to see if we can get a bounce. And it just doesn't look good. I am long on it right now. I'm trading it, but I'm not loving what I'm seeing super long term. I want to see us put in a higher high, and then maybe we'll get back into Atom. Right now, the next resistance for us to be breaking out to the upside and be bullish on would be $4.50. That is pretty strong resistance, in my humble opinion. And we were sitting on that support for almost 2 weeks. And then we broke it. So now if we go retest 450, it might take 1 or 2 weeks to break or more if we break it at all. So right now bulls have to break $4.50 for me to be bullish short term on Atom. Going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is getting overbought pretty quickly. And if you do not break $5.50, we'll say, on the weekly to on the daily time frame, technically it's a lower high, and that's a long ways away, 550. So overall, I'm not loving what I'm seeing even on the daily. 12 hours already overbought, 8 hours already overbought, 4 hours already overbought, and it's been overbought for a while now. So now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame is above the 21. You have a golden cross coming here, and it's already happened on the 1 hour, the 33-minute, or you just got also on the 33-minute. It's oversold on the stock RSI. So the smaller time frames have some life. Again, I am long from 406 last night. So you could say that you have some hope here on the smaller time frames, but overall, Atom looks like it's struggling. You could say this is kind of a bull pennant here, and this would be your lifesaver to get you maybe to the next resistance point at $4.50. Let's see what this measure move would give us. If this does break to the upside, these break to the upside 68% of the time, and that would still only get you to 425, but it would be a start in the right direction. I would say, so right now, my trade on the stop loss, I got in at 406. My stop is 408 because I believe if you lose 408, that you'd be losing the flag anyway. So it's a pretty tight stop, but again, I got in at 406. I don't want to lose money on this because it's not a super safe trade because right now the whole market's struggling anyways. We'll see what happens. You're above the 21 on the 15, so the 15-minute chart does look pretty good to me, although I don't like how far away you are from the 200. So again, if you come down to that 394 level, I wouldn't be surprised. So my stop right now in this trade is 408, and for the longer term, you must break 450 to be bullish on the longer term time frame. And that's kind of just how I see the market. Overall, I do think you can get moved to 450 because the daily still has some legs, but overall, the macro time frame still looks bearish to me unless you can break 450. And really, then your next resistance above 450 would be $5.63. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you guys.